this will be the following command that I received. So can you please tell me one thing? If you model it inside Blender and you operate within CATIA, if the 3D model is now usable for 3D printing or CNC machine CAD. So yes, but you will need to further prepare the mesh. We see over here that he's currently a 3D artist that uses Blender and he wants to learn CAD. He's asking this because he's confused about it. If it's possible to sketch your model inside Blender with clean topology and have it open within CATIA for simulation and CNC print. So that is actually possible. For example, I have over here the following model. We see the Urus car, and this is currently added within CATIA as an STL file. So this will further need to be processed in order to obtain surfaces based on this mesh. And you can find additional videos for this on my channel. If you're gonna type like this, CATIA V5, you can type in automatic, and this will be automatic surface. But you can also add the surface over here. And you're gonna see how you can convert those. You need to, let's say, know the fact that it will not be an easy task, because you will need to use this mesh as a reference. In some cases, you can use it directly and have it converted, but it's usually a good idea to use it as a reference and have new surfaces that will be traced based on those, on that existing surface as a support. And we see over here the same case study. So this is the car within Blender. As you can see, this will be the topology of the car. In this case, we can further split various components, and we can have those then transferred toward CATIA. And it will be important to have them separated and have them transferred like that. And afterwards, we can start creating our CAD model, and we can further prepare that either for manufacturing, for example, for the plastic components, or for the body white for this car. We can do that, but it will require a lot of time in order to do that. So keep in mind that usually Blender is used for visualization, and CATIA and other CAD solutions are mostly intended for computer-aided design, engineering, manufacturing, and so on. So even though they both work with the same input, in this case 3D model as a reference, the final output within those solutions, within Blender or within CATIA or other software, will be different. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this kind of content. I will position a similar video on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.